Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device. On the application of Facebook, you will click on settings here. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Facebook app and you can enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.